Bling. I see it. Hey y'all, welcome back Diva and Gents. This is Y2K Diva Locs coming at you. And today's video, well y'all already know what it is. So in my last video, I combed out my set of locks. I had 231 set of locks. I loved them, but they just got swole on me. And I felt like I didn't want the swole look. So I combed them out. I redid them, and I finished this set of Microlocs on July 1st. And I have not counted my locks. This is a very quick video because I am taking a short 15, 20 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour break from applying to grad school because I switched my major. So therefore I did switch schools. Y'all, with this grad school application, it's about references,
your resume, your statement of purpose, all these uploads of your previous transcripts, references, everything.
The deadline is tomorrow, July 24th, and I've yet to write my essay.
My references?
My letters of recommendation. I haven't updated my resume and I haven't uploaded my transcript. So, but this is just a quick video. I know you guys have been waiting. I finished my hair on July 1st. I did not count my locks at that time because you're always going to be doing revisions to your locks. You're probably gonna or undo them if you feel like they're too big, and then you're gonna split them in half. So I wanted to go through that process. So today is the July 23rd. So I've had 3 weeks of my new set of Microlocs. And actually last night I stayed up retying them, cleaning them up. So now I am prepared to count my locks and see exactly how many I have. So I did measure my head, and I knew I wanted at least 400 locks, Microlocs. So when I measured my head from front to back and from ear to ear, I guess I have a small head because it's less than 11 inches, but I rounded it up to 11 inches from front to back, and from side to side it is 11 inches. A little less, but I rounded up to 11 inches. I created these grid templates to follow so I can make sure that my locks were small, they didn't get too big. And so here's the 3/8. With the 3/8, I would have had 352 locks. I kind of wanted more than 352. So then I had this other template, which is 1/4. If I would have did my head all over with the 1/4 grid, I would have 528. We're not doing that. I'm not trying to retie 500 locks. So I did 3/8 of an inch grid and the 1/4 of an inch grid. So this is what it looked like. And you're gonna have the same number of locks. It's just gonna be different sizes. So there. I did a combination of those both. So here we go. Let's go ahead and count my locks. finished with the front here. So far, I'm rounding. I'm just counting by 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 35, 45, 65, 75, 85. So round about 285. You can do the math. So I guess around 285 so far. That's not cool. So 285, hopefully this has about 115. I don't know. But we're gonna find out and count. I'm gonna start from the bottom. To go. But I like it. I like the little definition and the little curls. And this is the last bit, y'all. And that's it, y'all. Take a look at the paper. You can add it up. You can do the math yourself. I'll do the math after I get done with this. All right, y'all. So that was a quick lock count and a quick little tour, a little lock tour. This isn't, I guess this is the unofficial reveal, but you know, when I find a little style and put my makeup on and look kind of cute, I will do the official reveal. But now you know how many locks I have. I love it. Oh, look at the cute little definition. And again, today makes 23 days that I have these new Microlocs, and I love it. I do. I will be braiding and banding so that they don't swell too much. But guys, let me show you the look at that. What? That is so cute. I love it. Yeah. Here it is. The back. There were some pieces when I was counting, and of course I knew before I was counting them, that are kind of big. So I might have to, you know, do those in half. But I like it. This is a lock channel, so I'm always gonna, you know, have and maintain locks. So thank you guys for hanging in there with me and keeping the faith. I do like it. What? I like it. Yes. Okay. I love the little definition. My hair is just loving it. What? Okay. Yes. The nose ring. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right. Bye.